Transportation Part 1. Car or vehicle. Transportation is the movement of goods, persons and animals from place to places, and the various means by which such movement is accomplished. The four important means of transport are road transport, rail transport, water transport, and air transport. Road transport is the most commonly used means of transport in most parts of the world. In some low-lying areas like Venice, water transport is the primary means of transport. Road transport is the movement of passengers or goods over land using motorized or non-motorized vehicles, cars, trucks, bikes along a network of roads. It is a highly flexible and essential logistical method, enabling door-to-door delivery and short to medium-distance transport. There are three types of land vehicles: human-powered, animal-powered, and motor, that is engine or electric. Human-powered likes bicycles, tricycles, velomobiles, scooter, etc. Animal-powered likes horse-drawn carriages or wagons, ox carts, dog sleds. Motor likes motorcycles, cars, trucks, buses, mobility scooters. Let's know more of vehicle parts. They are wheels, tires, frame, saddle, handlebar, drivetrain, pedal, and brakes. Body parts of car include bonnet, boot, bumper, doors, exhaust, mirror, number plate, tire, wheels, window, windscreen, wipers, and lights. Finally, let's see interior parts of vehicles, such as handbrake, gas pedal, brake, clutch, horn, gear lever, glove compartment, steering wheel, dashboard, speedometer, air ventilation, mile meter, ignition key and rev counter.